What's up, everybody? It's Brandon from PSA Trucks here in Ontario, Canada, where we have the used truck dealership. We sell accessories. Our team does one-off builds, and our team does a damn good job at it. And behind me is a little bit of a mix. This customer approached us a little while ago and said, I'm looking for a classic Duramax to put into my collection. And that is exactly what we found. This truck is a 2006 GMC Sierra 2500 HD with the 6.6 liter Duramax. We sourced this truck from Western Canada, and it has 185,000 kilometers on it, and it is absolutely mint and started mint. But we did a full frame off restoration, cleaning and taking and removing every single bolt and nut on this thing to make it to be absolutely brand new, better than what it was done in 2006. So let's go through the whole build. The first problem we entailed with this 06 when we started the build was the customer said, I have to have this truck in white. So we had to do a full color change on this truck. With doing the frame off and the color change, gave us the ability to paint the underside of the cab, the underside of the box, absolutely perfect, the same quality as you would have on the exterior. So this thing is spotless from bottom side up. We were spending no spared expense. We did full frame paint. Every nut and bolt was taken off and cleaned, differentials painted, new everything, including a 6.5-inch BDS coilover conversion with the Fox 2.5 coilovers, and it is a torsion bar delete. So this thing is going to ride unbelievable, way better than it did in 2006. And I know this customer is going to be happy. It's sitting on 35-inch tires with 20-inch wheels in the chrome to give the overall appearance with the chrome bumpers, and that was a good choice by the customer. With being the classic 6.6 liter Duramax that everybody loves, that's exactly why this customer wanted this truck. So we didn't stop at just doing the frame off and making the truck look gorgeous and doing the 6.5-inch BDS. We had to do a little bit more. So we started off, we did a S&B cold air intake, we did the EGR delete, we tuned it with EFI Live, and it has a downpipe, back, new exhaust, 5-inch MBRP with the chrome tip just to match. With what we were doing for tuning, we had to get more fuel, so the fast fuel pump had to be installed. And what you don't see is the customer also did a PPE engine and tranny pan for the increased oil capacity and increased cooling on the oil for this truck. The only thing this truck was lacking was it had cloth interior, so we had to add the cat skin full leather kit, added the perf, different colored stitching, and this thing looks killer on the inside as well. With that wraps up the 2006 2500 6.6 liter Duramax frame off restoration with 185,000 kilometers. I know this customer is going to be stoked, and if you're thinking, wow, I should do a build like that, or I have this special build, reach out to us. You'll talk with me, we'll sit down, and we can find you / build you the truck you've always wanted, just like this.
Can't you hear the bird? That's the money machine.